Today I will be unpacking and testing this new device that I have. So I just remove this one. Okay, so this is a moisture meter and pH meter for the soil of the plants. As here, there's some reading here. So if it is dry, so the value, it is on the red area, then it is recommended within the green area. Then if it's too wet, it is from in the blue area, 8 to 10. So I will test this now. We'll try this on this plant. So I haven't watered this one, so let's see the with it. So it's still moist, so I don't need to water it at the moment. So but if you look, looks dry, but it's still moist at the bottom. So at the what's this, number 4 or number 5? Yeah, I think it's just perfect. So very handy to have, so you will not be guessing if you need to water the plants or not. Okay, that's it. Try to get closer. To try on these two small pots. So it's just nearly getting dry. Then the other one. That one is nearly dry. So I'll try to put a little bit of water on the dry side. So I'll just spray a little bit of water. Then let's see. Now it's on the middle, number 5. I think that's all good.